One, welcome back to Finance Talks, and today we're diving into the basics of investing in stocks. If you're new to the stock market or just looking for a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, what is the stock market? The stock market is a platform where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you buy a stock, you own a small piece of that company and can benefit from its growth and profits. Stocks are traded on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq. These exchanges provide a regulated environment for buying and selling stocks, ensuring transparency and fair pricing. People invest in stocks for two main reasons: capital appreciation and dividends. Capital appreciation is when the stock price increases, allowing you to sell it for a profit. Dividends are regular payments made by some companies to their shareholders, sharing their profits with you. However, investing in stocks comes with risks. Stock prices can be volatile and influenced by factors like company performance, economic conditions, and market sentiment. It's crucial to do your research and invest in companies with strong fundamentals.